Hey everyone, I got a little ahead of myself. We were not done with the practice test yet, so we are on number 13 now. So number 13, we want to find the volume of a cone. Volume of a cone is 1/3 base area times height. The base of a cone is a circle, so we want to use pi times radius squared. So let's do 1/3. We'll use 3.14. The radius is 8 because 16 goes across the whole way. That's the diameter. So 8 squared times height is 27. Okay, put that in your calculator. We get 1,808.6 inches cubed. Number 14, find the volume. Oh, it gives us volume. So we are talking here about volume of a cylinder. So base area times height. The base of a cylinder is a circle, so pi r squared. All right. Now, given volume, put that in for V, 396 cubic centimeters. We'll use 3.14 for pi. We're looking for radius, so that's what we're solving for, and then we are given height at 14. So first thing I'm going to do is 3.14 times 14. Bring down the rest of the problem. 3.14 times 14 is 43.96. We want to get r by itself, so let's divide both sides by 43.96. 396 divided by 43.96. You get a long decimal, so I'm going to just write down 4 decimal places because we want the nearest possible answer, so you don't want to round too much until the final answer. So just use 4 decimal places until you're rounding your final answer. Now, we still have r squared. So we want just r. So to do that, we can take the square root of both sides. So let's do the square root of 9.0081. And it tells us to round to the nearest whole number. So we get that the radius is approximately 3 centimeters. 15. Okay, we're given the volume again, and we're talking about a cone, so 1/3 base area times height. The base of a cone is a circle, pi r squared. So volume is 471 cubic centimeters. We will use 3.14 for pi. We're given the radius is 5, so 5 squared, and we're solving for height. So first thing we're going to do is 1/3 times 3.14 times 5 squared. And we get a long decimal, so again, I'm going to use 4 decimal places. So 26.1666 repeated. Divide both sides by 26.1666. 471 divided by 21.1666. Tells us to round to the nearest whole number. We get h, or the height, is approximately 18 centimeters. Now we are finally on the last problem. So the cones are similar. Find the missing slant height. All right, let's set up a proportion. So I'm going to do slant height over radius equals slant height over radius. Make sure you keep your units lined up. So 5 times L, and 12 times 8 is 96. Divide by 5 on both sides. We get this slant height is 19.2 yards. And now you are finished and can study for your test.